Welcome back to the Blockchain Almanac Weekly Crypto Report, where we educate, protect, and empower all investors in the blockchain space. And remember, blockchain is much more than just crypto, but it's still important that we keep an eye on what's happening in these markets. And we're here to help you do that without any of the hype and with a data-driven approach. So another week, another round of blockchain and crypto news, and some interesting developments this week. From Bitcoin prices reaching 3-month highs, from the US Binance exchange adding staking rewards, to a not so great reaction to Bitcoin Cash adding a mining tax, and for a slow start when it comes to backed Bitcoin futures and options. So let's get you all caught up. Bitcoin continues to show its resiliency and growth, posting 3-month highs, passing the 9,400 mark. Now this coming after last week's poor performance in the run-up to the Lunar New Year celebrations. And one potential explanation for the short-term rally is Bitcoin being a new safe haven amid the coronavirus fears, the same fears that pushed the S&P down 400 points on Monday. Binance US, a licensee of one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, announced plans to begin offering staking services for Algo and Cosmo coins, allowing users to stake directly on the platform. Staking, or proof of stake, is a consensus mechanism used to confirm transactions and add new blocks to the chain, and was created to be more efficient to proof of work. Binance US now joins Kraken and Coinbase in offering staking rewards on POS coins, although Kraken and Coinbase only offer staking on Tezos coins. Last week, Roger Ver, an early investor in Bitcoin and also known as Bitcoin Jesus, along with Bitcoin.com and several major Bitcoin Cash mining pools representing about 27% of the total hash rate of Bitcoin Cash, proposed a 12.5% tax on mining rewards that would ostensibly go to funding network development. The response was not pretty, with many threatening to leave the network. Fearing the revolt, Roger Ver and company backtracked on this proposal. This reversal by one of the leading personalities involved in operating one of the largest crypto networks is another example of how conflicting interests and politics are impacting the governance and development of these networks. Little more than a month after their launch, Bitcoin options contracts on the Intercontinental Exchange digital asset platform, BACT, appear to have seen a sluggish uptake. The latest available reports for the contracts from January 24th through the 27th revealed that 11 days have elapsed since the last trade. BACT launched its new BTC option contract in early December, shortly after rolling out a cash-settled Bitcoin futures offering in November. Both the new options contract and cash-settled futures followed upon BACT's existing physical delivered BACT Bitcoin monthly futures contract, a pioneering product that was the first in the industry to give future traders a direct exposure to the underlying cryptocurrency. So those are the top headlines. Now let's take a look at what the crypto markets did this past week. And to do that, we're going to look at the Blockchain Benchmark Index, which is a comprehensive metric that makes it easier to track the overall crypto markets, and also what's happening in every single relevant sector of the space. The blockchain benchmark had a big week, up 9.5%, rebounding from last week's negative returns. Bitcoin continues its 2020 run, up 7.39%. While the S&P struggled with scares from the coronavirus outbreak with a tough Monday, but settling down at negative 0.79% for the week. The SMID-cap index had an even better week than the large cap benchmark, up 11.07%. Ethereum Classic led the way, up over 33%. MakerDAO and IOTA also up double digits for the week. Now, market dominance gives you a nice sense of what the overall crypto markets look and feel like, with Bitcoin still very much on the top of the list, but with Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, and Tether all fighting for the 4th spot. And over the last 12 months, the large cap BCA index is up 123%, The SMID Cap Index is up 63.1%, while the S&P is up about 31.49%, and gold up 21%. So thanks for joining us this week. We really do appreciate it. And remember, investing in crypto is risky. Past performance is not indicative of future success, so use caution. Now, at the blockchain benchmark, we're cynical optimists when it comes to crypto. We don't drink the industry Kool-Aid, but we're big believers in the fundamentals of blockchain. And we're here to help you keep track of these markets in a responsible way with an eye on risk-adjusted returns. So if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and make sure to come back next week for the latest trends and headlines happening in blockchain and cryptocurrency.